yesterday what I taught you, see once there are a 6 blind men. So they went to zoo. So identify the animal with hand. So one of it telling is a snake. It is identified with a elephant. Then one is telling it's a snake, and another was telling it's a fan. Two big fan. Another one is telling no, it's a wall, and another one is telling it's a rope. Then comes sixth man. What will tell? The sixth man, not wanting to be left out, come up to the elephant and felt its tusk. He felt the sharp end of the tusk and warned his friend, "Watch out! There is a spade here, and it's a sharp." Then another sixth blind man came and touched his elephant teeth. Is there now? It's a very sharp. See here, this one. The man is touching here. See here, one man is touching now. He is a sixth blind man. So he touched and tell to his friend, "No, it's a sharp tool." Any spark means any ಏನಾದರೂ ಇದಿರುತ್ತಲ್ವ, ಚಾಕು ಏನಾದರೂ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವ, ಅದು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಅವನು. All six of the blind men had reached their own conclusions and refused to accept the others' ways. They started argue loudly, trying to prove each other wrong. Then again all the six blind men together. Then they shouted, they discussing each other's, and they shouting each other's. Mine is right. No, mine is right. The conversation. Hearing the commotion, the zookeeper came running out. "What is going on here?" he asked. Then hearing some zookeeper is there, no owner. Then he come out there. Then he said, they are shouting now. So kelkondu odu bandidane alli. They came and they asking, "What is going on here?" Rudely he asked. One of the blind men said, "We are all blind and we cannot agree on what animals or thing is standing here. Is it snake, fan, wall, tree, spade or rope?" Then one of blind men told to zookeeper, "See here, we all are blind, but we can't imagine what type of animals is this. So we are discussing. One of telling is a snake, and another is telling tree, and another is telling wall, rope and fan. We don't know what is the correct." Then the zookeeper laughed for a while before answering the men, "My friend, all of you are wrong. Each of you having touched only one part of the animal and have jumped to your own conclusions. If you had only pulled your information together, you would be able to tell that this animal in front of you is an elephant." Then the zookeeper told, "No, dear friend, all of you wrong. What you are thinking now is very wrong. You are pushing your opinion to one to other. ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಒಪಿನಿಯನ್ ಒಂದು ಮೇಲೆಯಿಂದ ಬೇರೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಪಿನಿಯನ್ ಪುಷ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ನೀವು ಒಪ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ನಾನು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ರಾಂಗ್. ವಾಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು? ಇಫ್ ಐ ಟೆಲ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಶಾಕ್. It's an elephant. You are lucky," he continued, "that this elephant is tame and he did not get angry at you for touching him. He could have lost his temper when you started arguing and could have trampled all of you." Then the zookeeper told, "If you are lucky, the elephant, he did not anything you because he is a tame. I told you na, training animals. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನೀವು ಲಕ್ಕಿ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಇದಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಶೌಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ನೀವು ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ಈಗ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಗೆ ಇಫ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಆಂಗ್ರಿ, ಎಲಿಫೆಂಟ್ ಇಫ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಆಂಗ್ರಿ, then he will harm you. They kicked you, they harmed you. Like this he told. Instead of simply gathering knowledge, you must try to share it to understand things better. and when you can't, then there is no shame in asking someone who knows better, said the zookeeper. Then the zookeeper said, if you are arguing, ಒಂದು ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಗ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೀವು ಒಬ್ರಿಗೊಬ್ರು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀರೋ, ಮೇ ಬಿ ಹಿ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ರೈಟ್, ಮೇ ಬಿ ಹಿ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ನಾಟ್ ಎ ರೈಟ್, ಮೇ ಬಿ ಹಿ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ರೈಟ್, ಹಿ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಶೇಮ್, ಈಗ ನಮಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಬರೆಯೋಕ್ಕೆ ಓದೋಕ್ಕೆ, ವಿ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಫೀಲ್ ಗಿಲ್ಟ್ ಶೈ, ಸೊ ಫ್ರಾಂಕ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ಡ್ ಟು ಅದರ್ ನಾ. So frankly, hey, I don't know this, please help me ma. If you ask to your friends, any friend, please I don't know this topic, please if you have got it, please understand me or explain me, like this. So zookeeper also told like this, ನೀವು ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಬೇರೆಯವರಿಗೆ ಕೇಳಬಹುದಾಗಿತ್ತು. The men were ashamed of their behavior and apologized to the zookeeper. The zookeeper then took all 6 blind men on the tour of the zoo and described each animal in detail. This helped the men to imagine the animals. At the end of the day, all of them were far more knowledgeable than when they had first reached the zoo. Then the zookeeper is very amused means happy ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಆ zookeeper ಕಾಮ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಲ್ವಾ, he is not angry, but ಅವರು ಫುಲ್ ಕಾಮ್ ಆಗಿ ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅವರು ಬ್ಲೈಂಡ್ ಮೆನ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರೆ, ದೆನ್ ಬ್ಲೈಂಡ್ ಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಸಾರಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಅಪೋಲೈಸ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು. ದೆನ್ ದ zookeeper ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಝೂ ತಿರ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ದೆನ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದ. ದೇ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ. Okay children, in this lesson what we will get, you are not ashamed to get knowledge.